Hi everybody, this is Craig the Water Guy. So we're going to talk about water softener parts today. If you have a water softener and something goes out on it, and you need to get parts for it, you're not sure what parts you need, so you either call, if you bought from us at qualitywatertreatment.com, you would call us and we would troubleshoot it with you and figure out what parts you need. Okay. If you purchase from somebody else, I'm not too sure how they handle that, but either way, you have to have somebody help you to figure out what part you need and whether that part is under warranty or not under warranty. So, anyway, so let's go over parts real quick on water softeners. Manufacturer warranties cover basically defective parts. They don't cover wear and tear parts, regardless of who you buy it from. So wear and tear parts would be like pistons, seals, spacers, pistons, stuff like that. The warranty coverage would be like the valve body if it's defective and it cracks on you, which is highly unusual, or a timer motor burning out before the warranty's up, or something go along with the electronic board, stuff like that. All that stuff is covered under manufacturer warranty. Okay. Manufacturer's warranties generally don't cover labor or any sort of technical support. They cover parts only. And if you purchased your system from a proprietary brand, such as Sears, Kenmore, General Electric, Connecticut, Culligan, North Star, any of those type of brands, then you cannot get the parts from just any water treatment company. You actually have to call a company that is a dealer for those brands. So those are proprietary brands, and usually big box stores for like Kenmore, General Electric, for instance, Whirlpool. You have to get a hold of them to get a hold of the proper people to take a look at the system for you and figure out what's going on with it and get those parts for you, regardless if they're under warranty or not. Okay, so when it comes to Fleck, for instance, Fleck is sold all over the internet. A lot of your dealers carry Fleck, so finding parts for Fleck is never an issue. QualityWaterTreatment.com carries parts for Fleck here, and we can also help you out by getting you whatever you need and help you out regardless of whether you bought the system from us or not. We charge a charge for technical support, a one-time charge, help you out through your troubleshooting issues over the phone or through live chat or email, whatever you prefer, and then we'll get the right parts to you and help you out there. Okay, so we do carry different parts on our website. We kind of keep it limited because there's so many different parts out there. Most folks have no idea what they're looking for, but we do have all the parts available for you. Okay. As far as our SoftPro brand goes, our SoftPro brand is our brand. It's sold by us. It's a registered trademark through Quality Water Treatment. But the SoftPro brand is manufactured by the second largest water treatment manufacturer in the world. So they make those systems for a lot of different companies under different brand names. So getting parts for the SoftPro brand is never an issue either. Regardless, you'll be able to find parts for it, and so that takes care of that as far as if you're worried about SoftPro brands and parts. It's not a proprietary brand like I mentioned earlier with all these other systems. So I hope that helps you folks out today, and have a great day.